Hi guys, going to try out the Lagoon Stunt Kite if we get enough wind. Now funnily enough, there was a nice blow of wind when I pulled up in the car and that's completely dropped again now, so I don't know whether we're going to get a chance or not. I'll get myself prepared, and if we're lucky we'll get a little gust and I can just get it up in the air. That is amazing, that's completely dropped. The flag over there. Can't even tell which way the wind's blowing. Ah, towards me. Right, well, we'll see what we can do. Actually remember to bring my anemometer. I don't think we can get any measurement. Well, 4.4. I think that's set to miles. Is that meters per second or miles per hour? I can't tell. Well, that's meters per second. Right, I've reset it to miles per hour. At the moment, nothing. I don't think we've got anything like enough. Oh, bit of a gust. 6 miles an hour. Yeah, I don't think we got a hope, but I'm still going to try it. Even if I can only get it up in the air for a couple of seconds, we can at least see what it looks like. A little bit of a gust. We're up. Whoa, it's a bit twitchy. Well, we got up in the air. Let's try that again. Come on, up. We're up. Whoa, it is very twitchy. I need more wind, obviously. The tree's blowing, but there's... oh, the wind's changed direction, hasn't it? Well, clearly that wasn't a fair test. Nothing like enough wind. But it did at least go up in the sky, so we do know it's got potential to fly, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that wind, it was there for a few minutes, it comes and goes. Clearly not enough for a fair test. We'll try again another day. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.